Welcome to the best picks. The best transmission cooler lines is probably one of the most important components in keeping your transmission running smoothly and efficiently for years to come, and picking the right one can be a daunting task with so many options available on the market, but worry not. In this video, we will walk you through everything you need to know about transmission cooler lines, from understanding their function and importance to identifying key features and selecting the perfect fit for your vehicle. We will also explore different types of transmission cooler lines, their advantages and disadvantages, and provide you with some top recommendations based on our extensive research and testing. Number 5. Dorman 624-284 Transmission Hose. This automatic transmission oil cooler hose is designed to perfectly match your original equipment. It's built to ensure a smooth, reliable fit. Is your current transmission cooler hose leaking or damaged? This is the perfect replacement to restore proper cooling and prevent further issues. It's made from high-quality materials for lasting performance and a long service life. You can count on it to withstand the test of time. With over a century of automotive experience, you can trust in its quality and reliability. It's backed by a team of experts. Double-check compatibility using the garage tool to make sure it's the perfect fit for your vehicle's make, model, and trim level. Easy installation for a perfect fit. This hose assembly is designed for straightforward installation, ensuring a quick and efficient repair. Get back on the road quickly. What we like. This automatic transmission oil cooler hose assembly is a direct replacement for your original equipment, ensuring a perfect fit. It's engineered to prevent leaks and maintain proper transmission cooling, solving common issues like corrosion or damage. If your current assembly is failing and you need a reliable, durable solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Fitment was spot on, went in extremely easy and worked flawlessly. No leaks and I have installed over 2 months ago. This set was a perfect fit and looks to be of the same or higher quality as the OEM original set. They were a snap to install, and I had the job done in an hour or so, start to finish. Cooler lines were an exact fit and very well made. No leaks. Number 4. 670 Transmission Cooler Hose Kit. This kit is designed to provide a reliable and durable solution for your transmission cooling needs. It's compatible with a wide range of vehicles, ensuring a perfect fit for your specific application. It's constructed from high-quality stainless steel braided hoses and billet adapters. This ensures superior strength and resistance to wear and tear, providing long-lasting performance. Everything you need is included for a quick and easy installation. The kit comes with hoses, adapters, and fittings, saving you time and effort. This versatile kit is compatible with various transmissions, including GM Chevy 4L80E, Ford C4, C6, AOD, and Turbo 350-400 200-200 R4 700 R4 4L64 L60E 4L65E. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your vehicle. We stand behind our product with a 1-year warranty. If you have any questions or issues, our customer support team is available 24/7 to assist you. What we like. This kit boasts heavy-duty stainless steel braided lines for superior durability and resistance to wear and tear. It comes with a variety of fittings to ensure compatibility with numerous vehicle makes and models. If you're looking for a long-lasting, versatile upgrade for your transmission cooler system, this kit is a great option. What people say. This product is amazing if you want clean lines for your transmission. Great lines look good and handle 3500 trans brake just fine. Decent, used on a Chev 2500 4L80E. These are way better fittings for the transmission end. Number 3. MuHize Transmission Cooler Lines. These upgraded transmission cooler lines are built to last. They're designed for superior durability and performance, keeping your transmission running cool. With a length of 70 inches, it provides ample reach for various vehicle applications. The stainless steel braiding ensures strength and resistance to damage. It's made from high-strength PTFE, a material known for its resistance to high and low temperatures and corrosion. This ensures long-lasting performance. The kit includes everything you need for installation: hoses, adapters, and fittings. Everything is designed to fit together seamlessly. It's compatible with a wide range of GM, Chevy, and Ford vehicles, including popular transmission types. Check the compatibility list to ensure it fits your vehicle. The black rubber covering provides an extra layer of protection against leaks, ensuring reliable performance. It's designed to keep your transmission running smoothly. The kit includes different sizes of fittings to accommodate various vehicles and turbo setups. This ensures a perfect fit for your specific needs. What we like. These upgraded transmission cooler lines feature high-strength PTFE and braided stainless steel for superior durability and resistance to high and low temperatures. The added black rubber covering prevents leaks, ensuring reliable performance. If you need a robust and leak-proof solution for your transmission cooling system, this is the one for you. What people say. This fit my aftermarket aluminum radiator and TH350 transmission perfectly. The 70-inch lines were a bit too long, but I ordered them that way just in case I needed to run them any which way. The fittings were absolutely perfect. The material and fittings were more heavy-duty than I expected. Just what I expected. Flexible transmission lines made it easy to fit and install. Excellence líneas las use con un enfriador de aceite aluminio con Tomás 6 and 38, quedaron perfecto en mi transmission Ford AOD en mi 1974 F100, muy buena calidad, rápido envío a Tampico, Mexico. Number 2. Dorman 624-355 transmission hose. This automatic transmission oil cooler hose is designed to perfectly match your original equipment. It's built to ensure a seamless fit and function. Is your current transmission cooler hose leaking or damaged? This is the perfect replacement to restore proper cooling and prevent further issues. It's made from high-quality materials, promising reliable performance and a long lifespan. You can count on it for lasting durability. With over a century of automotive expertise backing it, you can trust in its quality and performance. It's backed by a team of US-based product experts. Double-check compatibility using our online tool. Simply enter your vehicle's make, model, and trim level to confirm it's the right fit for your car. This hose assembly is designed for straightforward installation, making it a simple fix for your transmission system. What we like. This automatic transmission oil cooler hose assembly is designed as a direct replacement, ensuring seamless integration with your vehicle. It's engineered to address common issues like leaks and failures caused by corrosion or damage, keeping your transmission running cool. If you need a reliable, direct-fit replacement for your Jeep, this is it. What people say. OEM replacement, fit perfectly and are doing the intended job. Fits as expected, no leaks. This line fit perfectly on my 1999 Jeep Cherokee. The most difficult part is removing the quick disconnect near the radiator. Use a 3/8 quick disconnect tool and be patient since space is tight. Number 1. Dorman 624-520 transmission hose. This automatic transmission oil cooler hose assembly is designed to perfectly match your original equipment. It's built to ensure a seamless fit and function. Is your current assembly leaking or damaged? It's engineered to restore proper transmission cooling, solving issues from corrosion, collisions, or wear and tear. It's made from high-quality materials for reliable performance and a long lifespan. You can count on it to last. This part is backed by a team of US-based product experts and over a century of automotive experience. You're getting proven quality. Double-check compatibility using our online tool. Simply enter your vehicle's make, model, and trim level to confirm it's the right fit for your car. This hose assembly is designed for straightforward installation, making the repair process quick and hassle-free. What we like. This automatic transmission oil cooler hose assembly offers a direct replacement for your original equipment, ensuring a perfect fit and function. It's designed to prevent leaks and maintain proper transmission cooling, solving issues like corrosion or damage. If you need a reliable, durable solution for your Chevrolet or GMC, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Fit just like the original did. Fit great, just have to play a bit to get it in place. The easy way to get it to go in is from the back and after the upper pipe is installed, or you're going to get it out again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.